Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your earbuds Sony. And basically we have a few options how to enable or disable it. We can use an application or we can use gestures. Let's get started by use the application. Open Sony Sound Connect. And if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have. And right here in the first line we have ambient sound control. If you have any, just scroll down and click at the edit, and you need to click at the slider near to the ambient sound control if your slider have empty background. And you will see it. Now, to enable transparency mode, you need to click tap one time at the ambient sound, and we just enable it. But as I said previous, we can also use gestures, and you need to use your left earbud. At the back side, right here at the top, we have this touch area. And you need to tap one time. Firstly, you will swap to ANC, and then you tap again, and you will swap to transparency mode. Now, to disable it, also just swap to turn off it or to ANC. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!